Hey guys, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is actually going to be a first impression Friday. I'm using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. So if you watch my recent haul, you know that I picked this up recently. I do have oily skin, so like a luminous foundation, why would I buy that? But it just looks so nice on people, so I want to see if it's gonna look nice on me. Am I really expecting it to look amazing? No, of course not, but it is what it is. We'll see. Hopefully with my primer and everything, my powders and all that, hopefully it comes out nice. So I'm looking at the Ulta website. This foundation retails for $38. It comes in 50 shades. The shade that I got, which is 510W, is deep skin with a warm undertone. It was really between this one and I want to say, no, not 500. It was between this one and 520, I think. I can't remember which ones I swatched in the store, but I know it's only two of them that I swatched and I was like, ooh, I like that one. This is a radiant formula. It's supposed to be long wearing, medium coverage, and it's supposed to look super lightweight and look ultra fresh. So, you know, fresh face does not hurt anyone. It says that it masks discoloration, unevenness, and blotchiness while making the skin look natural and radiant. Supposed to be water resistant. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get into it. Available in 5 shade categories, which are fair, light, medium, tan, and deep, and then 3 undertones, which are cool, warm, and neutral. Product pairings, like it tells you, really tells you a lot of stuff. Hydrating oil, wow, if this is a luminous foundation, you'd have to be like super dry to use the hydrating oil and the foundation and the dewy setting spray. Like, you dry. So anyway, I need to hurry up because I do need to go to work in about an hour. So let's do this. And please ignore my nails. I needed to cut them down. I haven't been able to soak them completely off, so let's ignore my little nails. So for primer today, I'm going to use the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. I'm gonna put this basically in my T-zone, right here in the forehead area. My nose is like the major area that needs some control. And then I'm also going to put a little bit on my chin. For my brush today, I'm going to use the usual schmusual, which is the Morphe M439 brush. I don't know why I always have to look at it. It's the same brush every time. So, this is what the bottle looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. I know there's like a lot of controversy is like too deep a word, like it's not that serious, but I know there's a lot of people that like hate that it says foundation, and also a lot of people that love that it says foundation. My thing is like it's kind of really off brand, like especially since the powder released with it, the powder didn't say powder on it, you know what I mean? So I feel like it doesn't make much sense to have this say foundation when nothing else in the brand is labeled like this. Like, are they gonna come out with a concealer and it says concealer? I don't get it. Like, I don't hate that it's on there, but also I don't think it was like necessary. Even for makeup artists, don't think that was necessary. Okay. All right. There we go. How many pumps was that? Was that 3? I think that was 3. So it looks like, it's not that runny. Okay. So, boop. I feel like there's barely any product on my face. And that was 3 pumps. Today was Avery's first day of school. Ooh, chalet. So we did drop her off and pick her up since it was her first day. Avery's in kindergarten, if you don't know. Yeah, so we did pick her up, and there's a hair on me. We did pick her up and drop her off, but tomorrow she starts riding the bus because she really wanted to ride the bus. And then like we were thinking about it with like scheduling and everything, the bus would just really help us out as well. But homegirl, this looks super dry on my face. Like, I'm not seeing luminous. Anyway, she wanted to ride the bus, but the bus picks her up at 6:40 in the morning now. 6:40 in the morning. And then the bus drops her off at 3:22 in the afternoon. I'm like, listen, wow, 6:40. So that means she has to wake up like maybe like 5:50. Depending on how fast she's gonna get ready for school. Like, Avery, why? Versus if she were to get dropped off, she doesn't have to be there until like 7:45. So yeah, I don't think I like this. Like, the way it's sitting on my face, it's already in my smile lines. Like, I feel like the color is fine because honestly, where is it? Let me do 2 more pumps. Probably shouldn't have put any more on the smile line area, but it is what it is. I really can't remember the last time I tried a foundation I actually loved it. So I feel like this might actually be too dark. At least that's what I'm seeing in the mirror. I don't know what it looks like on camera. If you are new to my channel though, my face, my neck, and my chest are 3 different shades. 3, with my neck being the darkest. So my neck is the darkest, then it's my face, and then it's my body. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be back. All right, y'all, it is 5:12. I've actually had my makeup on for a little bit, but I'm sitting here taking selfies and stuff. I don't think I like this foundation. So it did not play well with, Ooh, I got a little bump in my wig. It did not play well with my other products, y'all. Like, first of all, the first thing I put on was the Milani Perfect Cover Concealer. I've been using this concealer for a little bit. I want to say like maybe 2 weeks already. And I love this concealer. It was so dry under my eyes today. Like, it was really hard for me to blend it out. I used the Morphe sponge. It was like super sticky today, which is weird because it's not usually like that. And I'm wondering if maybe this foundation doesn't really like the NARS. There's a lot of stuff in my vanity. I'm wondering if maybe the foundation does not like the NARS primer. I don't know what it is. Even my bronzer, I initially wanted to try this. Like today was going to be like a whole first impression video with the Anastasia foundation, this bronzer that I got in gratis. I haven't tried this yet, and the Jackie Ina palette, but I just don't have the time to do that. I still wanted to use the bronzer, but I'm glad that I forgot to grab it because I use the bronzer that I usually use, which is the Guys FX. Where is it? This little thing right here. As you can tell, I only really use this shade right here. This is the typical bronzer that I use, and it was so patchy on my forehead. I still feel like it's really patchy. Like it didn't really, like right in the most noticeable spot. Like my wig is right here. The patchy bronzer is right here. Like I could not for the life of me get it to blend right there in that area. And then over here on this side, it was hard for me to blend, but like thankfully my hair can just cover that up. And like I said, it's already sinking into my smile lines. I feel like my little nose crevice right here is like really cakey looking. Just don't think it looks good on me, and I'm sad about it. Like I'm really sad. I just feel like my face looks super textured and drier than usual, so I think I'm going to try this again without this primer. Maybe try it with the Instant Grip Jelly Primer from Dermablend, or I don't know what other primer to try it with. But I think maybe it doesn't like the NARS primer. Maybe that's why it's super dry looking. Like, granted, I haven't had this on, I feel like, long enough for my oils to kick in. Maybe it will look better later, but right now it's just like meh. It doesn't look terrible, but also it's not like, oh yes, go out and buy it, I recommend this already, like whatever. So I'm gonna get ready to go to work, and I will see you guys in about 5 hours or so. I said that weird. 5 hours or so. Ugh. Hey y'all, so it is currently 11:17. So I've had this foundation on for, I want to say like a little over 6 hours. So I did not like it when it's like transferred all on my glasses. I didn't like it initially, but now I'm actually really feeling it. Like, this is not bad for, oh, excuse me. This isn't bad for 6 hours of wear, at least not for me and how oily my skin typically is. I want to take this Morphe sponge with a little bit of powder. I thought, like initially I thought it was like super cakey around my nose, and I still do feel like, oh, that sounded like Raven's phone. I still feel like it's a little cakey, like right here in this area, but that's something I can live with, especially since I do wear glasses anyway, so like it's fine. Per usual, this happens with every foundation. This area right here came off where my glasses were sitting. I expect that. My smile lines really are not that bad. Like, I can live with this. I can live with looking like this. This is not bad at all. I'm like, maybe I won't try it with a different primer. Maybe that primer was fine and I just needed my oils to start doing their thing, because this is not, I was thinking like, okay, I might be oily like 2 hours in. I was at work fine, okay? I was at work looking good. I did not blot a single time while I was at work. I only looked at myself like maybe twice in the mirror because I was just, you know, so busy doing what I do. But yeah, this is nothing. So I would actually recommend this. I don't know why I'm putting this on. I'm literally about to wash off my makeup, so what's the point of putting lip product on? But I actually would recommend this for like oily skin. Ooh, I will say this area is not the best looking. This area right here is way more textured than it usually is, like the top of my lip. It really looks like I need to fucking exfoliate right there, but I know I don't. I could literally continue wearing this. Like after I blot, I could continue wearing this for a few more hours. At least 4. So if you've used this foundation, let me know down below how you feel about it. Let me know your skin type and all that as well. And what primers and setting sprays and blah 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 you use. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like my setting sprays lately, I'm just spraying something on my face. Do I feel like my setting sprays are working? No, and I use the All Nighter, I have De-Slick, I have that new Tarte setting spray. So if there's a setting spray that you're using that you feel like is actually doing something, please let me know because I'm sleepy. Oh, please let me know because I just feel like setting spray is not really doing much for me these days. I feel like I'm just spraying a facial spray on my face. It's not really setting anything. It's not prolonging anything. Anyway, it's time for me to go to bed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.